Hey guys, it's Allie, and today I'm going to be giving you my dorm room tour. So first you start out looking through the peephole, then you come out and I have just a yellow frame from the TV show Friends, one of my favorite shows, and then my door. If you look to my left, that's where I keep my keys and where I have an energy switch for my room, and then to the left of that is where I have my dresser. I just have 2 shelves that are open on it, and then 4 drawers that just have all my clothes inside of it. You can see at the top I have 3 hats that are just stuck on command strips. I usually have baseball caps, but since it's kind of the end of winter, I have all my hats. Then I have a fake eucalyptus plant, which I got at HomeSense, some candles, a speaker, and then just containers. And on the shelf below is where I have my makeup box, so I just have all my makeup inside of there. I have another fake plant, then I just have some cutlery, a plate, and some makeup brushes. And that's an overview of what my dresser chest drawer looks like. Next, I have my bar area and my mini fridge. So this is just where I have some drinks, my mini fridge, and then a calendar right above that. So here's just an overview of that wall in my room. Then if we go to the right of that, actually, we have my mirror side. So everyone literally told me I was crazy for bringing this really large mirror in my room, but I was like, no, it's definitely gonna fit, and it did. So below that I just have a carpet with all my shoes, and there I am. And then I just have my mirror from HomeSense. I have these twinkly lights from Target. And then I have beside my bed, I actually made this fake plant holder and plant from just some dollar store things. So my cute holder is from HomeSense. It just has like 4 shelves. I just have some stuff on it just to put everything on. And then I have my bed. So I absolutely love my bed. I took most of the things from my room back home to make it this cozy and warm. I just have some blankets from Chapters and HomeSense, pillows, all of them are from HomeSense. I absolutely love them, and they are really good prices. Then we go on to above my bed, which I have a dream catcher from HomeSense as well, and I just saw it and it was perfect. Also a really good price. And then I just have a window with a really nice view of some trees, and this is just an overview of my bedroom area. Then we go on to my desk, which is where I spend the most time in this dorm room. It just has a normal chair that came with it. I just threw a HomeSense carpet actually over it. Then I just have a poster you can see above, a light box from HomeSense, a fake plant, a candle. Almost everything is from HomeSense. This cute tray, which is from HomeSense, some books, a printer that I actually haven't used, like at all. And then on the main side, I just have a small mirror from JYSK, a pencil holder, another plant, a light from Target, and a bunch of books, which I unfortunately haven't had a chance to read since I have so much work to do. Inside my closet just a little bit, it's pretty messy. I have a shelf up top that just has everything I need. It has some food, some hair conditioner, all the products, paper towel, and then just an overview of the messy closet. this was the dorm room tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely loved decorating it. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.